All right, guys, one of the hottest brands in streetwear is a brand called Hellstar. All right, it was started on the West Coast by a gentleman and his friends, but the main guy name is Shawnee Holland, and this thing is taking over. You can see celebrities, athletes, all of the who's who of the, cool people rocking Hellstar. Now, here's the deal. Why shouldn't you be able to cash in on some of that? And how you cash in is, guys, people are followers. Okay, so if you can come out with a brand that is similar, not necessarily biting styles, but similar, you could maybe possibly cash in on some of that popularity. So I'm going to show you how you can make a style similar to Hellstar. Y'all ready? First thing we're going to do is create some artwork.
T-shirt help desk.
So I'm going to go to Kittl and find a nice layout. I like this one. Let's pull it up. Awesome sauce. And I really like this Hellstar style. And it has this guy right here with his eyes looking all crazy. And that reminds me of something from World Weekly News called Bad Boy. So I went on the internet, I found an image, I took it into Photoshop, got rid of the background. So let's go back over to Kittl and let's drop it in there. And I also want some flames because Hellstar is all about the flames, right? So I went over to the font, put in flames, and I found this, which is an actual font. So we're going to take those in and we're going to add those flames. So now we're going to change the wording from Leaden Heart to Bad Boy Returns. And there you have it. We have ourselves a bomb-ass graphic. Now, once your artwork is done, it's time to print. Now, you could take it to a screen printer and they're going to charge you an arm and an ass, or you can do it one of the many ways that you can print and make transfers at home, or possibly you can just take your artwork over to Supercolor. Supercolor has something called Super DTF. You just take your artwork, upload it, and in a couple of days, boom, you have your transfers. And once you get your transfers, let me show you how easy it is to print. All right, so we're gonna start with our hoodie. We're gonna lay it out. So we're gonna give this a good little pre-press. Oh guys, this is our version of an awesome Hellstar graphic with our flames. And we're gonna add flames to the sleeves and we're gonna add flames to the bottoms. So without any further ado, let's get it. Now this one is big, so we're gonna have to print over the seam just a little bit. Let's do it and see how it comes out. Okay. Beautiful. So once we get it, we're gonna give it a nice second press. Beautiful. So now we are going to do some sleeve action. Hey folks, I want to take a minute to talk to you about Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying. The book has been updated with so much information, all the great information from the original book, but updated with current up-to-date information, especially the implementation of AI. But wait, there's more. There's also the new companion book, the Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying workbook, sketchbook, and journal, to where you literally can open it up, answer the questions, write in everything, do the sketches, and literally by the time the book is over, you will have a blueprint and roadmap to starting the t-shirt business, okay? They go together like peanut butter and jelly. Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying, 10th anniversary edition, and the companion workbook, sketchbook, and journal. Available on Amazon.com. Back to the video. Some sleeve action. So we have flames. So let's cut these flames. Another thing, when you do your flames, you don't want to go right here. You want to go right down the seam so people can see them when you're walking. We're going to give this a pre-press.
Nice. On diagonal. Let's give it a pre-press. Beautiful. Look at that. Flames, 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 and more flames. Let's make some more flames. So now we have the big flames that are going to go in the pants. Same thing. We'll take them out. Slice though. I'm going to put these right in the front. Let's give it a pre-press. We'll give it another little press.
So anyway, guys, that's it in a nutshell. You can have a line really, really awesome and trendy like Hellstar, and you can make it at home. All right? Anyway, guys, there's going to be some information down in the description box. I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm going to put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Oh, check out this video right here. You're really going to like it. All right? Peace.
T-shirt help desk.